Hello students, today again I am going to explain the problem based on the intermolecular forces. Okay, the forces between the molecules. Okay, so what are the question number one is, student, which one of the following statement is not correct about the three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas? Okay, so if you talk, molecules of solid possess less energy whereas those of gas possess high energy. Highest energy, that is wrong. Next, the density of, this is the correct, student, this is correct statement, this is the correct. How I can say wrong? Sorry, this is the correct statement, student, because that is, what is the correct one, student? That is, the gases is having highest energy. Okay, the molecule of solid possess least energy, gases having highest energy, potential energy. The density of solid is highest whereof the gases is lowest, that is also correct. This is also, gases like liquid possess definite volume. This is wrong, student. Gases do not have definite volume. This is, molecules of solid possess vibration motion. That is also correct. The gases do not have definite shape and volume. Their volume is equal to the volume of container. So required answer is option number C. Next question, student. The temperature and pressure at which ice, liquid water, and water vapor can exist together. What temperature? The temperature and pressure. So temperature and pressure means 0 degree Celsius and 4.7 mm pressure. Okay, so all the three phases of water can exist at 0 degree Celsius and 4.7 mm pressure. So correct option is option number C. Which of the following is true about the gaseous state, student? True statement they are asking, true. So for thermal energy equal to molecular attraction, this is wrong, student. Thermal energy is more than molecular attraction, this is the correct. Thermal energy is always more than the molecular attraction. It is characteristics of gas. Thermal energy is more than molecular attraction. So required answer is option number B. Next question, student. Kinetic energy of molecule is highest in gases. Okay, gaseous molecules are moving always, so that they have highest kinetic energy. In gases, molecular attraction is very less and intermolecular space are large. Hence, kinetic energy of gases is highest. Next, which of the following statement is correct? Okay, so in all the three states, the molecule possesses random transitional energy. This is wrong. All the three phases is not having random transitional energy, student. Okay, only gases is having. Gases cannot be converted into solid without passing through liquid state. That is also wrong, student. It can be converted. One of the common property of liquid and gas is viscosity. This is not the, this is the correct one, student. That is, gases is having the, gases and liquid is having the viscous properties, viscosity. So this is the option. According to Balsa, B by P is constant. No, 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 this is not. Gaseous, liquid both can flow and possess the viscosity. Correct option is option number C. Next one, a volume 1 meter cube is equal to, that is 10 power 6 centimeter cube. That is a easy problem. Which one of the following is not a unit of pressure? Newton is not a unit of pressure, student. Torr, Pascal, bar are the unit of pressure. Newton is the unit of force. Next one, 1 degree Celsius rise in temperature equal to rise of, that is 9.5 9 by 5 Fahrenheit. This is the relation is there, student, that you have to memorize. Actually, that is degree Celsius by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. This is the relation you have to memorize. Which of the following relation is expressing the volume of sample is not correct? Not correct, student. So if you see, this is 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, correct. 1 dmq 1 liter, correct. And 1 liter is equal to meter cube, not student, centimeter cube. Okay, so 1 liter is equal to, 1 liter is equal to this one. Okay, student, this is correct. Okay, 10 power 3 centimeter cube. So this is the wrong, not correct. Next, 1 atmosphere is numerically equal to approximately 10 power 6 dynes per centimeter square. So correct option is option number 1. Next, pressure of the gas in a vessel can be measured by, okay, that is the manometer, student. Okay, see student, barometer is used to measure the atmospheric pressure of a mixture of gas, that is atmospheric pressure, or that is staglometer is used to measure the surface tensor. Okay, surface tensor. And only manometer is used to measure the pressure of pure gas in vessel. So correct option is option number B. Next, volume occupied by a gas at 1 atmospheric pressure and 0 degree Celsius is VML. Its volume at 273 Kelvin will be. Okay, so correct option is VML will be there, student. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. That is condition are same, so volume will be VML. Now next point, which one of the following statement is wrong for the gases? So they are asking the wrong statement, student. Gases do not have definite same and volume, that is correct. Volume of the gas is equal to volume of the container, that is also correct. A confined gas exert uniform pressure on the wall of its container in all direction, correct. Mass of gas cannot be determined by weighing container in which it is enclosed. Okay, this is the wrong statement, student. Okay, that is the mass of the gas can be determined by weighing the containers filled with the gas and again weighing its container after the removing the gas. The difference between the two weight gives the mass of the gas. So required option is option number D. Which of the following exhibit the weakest intermolecular forces? So weakest molecule, this is the noble gases, student, that is helium. Noble gases have no intermolecular forces due to inertness. So this is all about the problem based on the intermolecular forces. Thank you so much for watching, friends.